Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you this cordless hand vacuum that I've just bought. Yeah, so I'm going to open it and then show you guys what's inside. Okay guys, so I've got the manual here. Then I'm just going to take this stuff out guys and then show you exactly how it all is. Okay guys, so I decided to get this vacuum, so like if you want to sort of like clean your car, or if you want to, just clean little places here and there, then you can do that. So we've got the charger here guys, so I'm going to open up each bit and then show you guys. This is guys quite a powerful vacuum cleaner. So this is like 12,000 PA, which is quite a lot. Normally these vacuums they sort of come about 8,000 PA, but this is really powerful guys. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just attach this to it so you could see we got the lock and unlock. So what happens is when you turn, so this is how you lock it. So it's like comes in 2 bits, and then if I unlock it, it also comes with 2 filters inside, so you could see you can just bring it out. So you've got one, and then you've got this one. It's both washable, so you can wash it, which is quite handy. And the run time on it guys is around sort of 20 minutes if it's on eco, and then if you put it on max it's around sort of 15 minutes. And when you click it once is on eco, and then when you click it double then it's on the max. And I'll just show you just how it works. So this is how powerful it is, and then if you click it twice it goes on the max here. So this way you turn it off. So yeah, you click it once, and then you could hear it when you click it twice. So this is one, which you could see it's suctioning my hand, and then so you can see how powerful it is. And also it comes with I'll leave it here. It comes with 2 attachments guys. So like you've got some areas which is hard to reach, like for example you wanna clean something on the ceiling or whatever, you can use this one. If you want to clean anything on the carpet, then you can clean this one. The way it charges guys, let me just have a look. Just bear with me a moment guys, I'll just see how it works. The way it charges is that so you could see you've got a thing here, and you've got this is the bit where it goes to, and you've got the charging station guys. So what you do, you just press that down and then it clicks in, and then you could see this bit here and this bit here. So this will sort of sit like that onto the charge, and then you've got the 2 attachments. You sort of you could go like that, and then you've got a bit behind it for the 2 attachments, and then this is how it is. This is like around 800 gram guys, so it's not like really heavy or anything like that. The suction on it is really obviously powerful, and then obviously it just detects fine particles of around 99.9%, which is really good. So yeah, and the 2 level of suction power gives you like really fine like really clear suction. And then you've got the manual here, so all the information that you need, you've got it here. Yeah, and also the filters you can clean as well. And it takes about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge, but once it's charged you can almost clean a room with it. That's what they say. So yeah, I hope you like this video guys. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.